Yeah, I was broke as fuck. What's up, my dudes? I haven't seen you in a while. What's up? Hello. So today, again, we're at the mountains again, dude. It seems like all this channel does is go to the mountains and jerk off, you know what I'm saying, dude? Oh, nope. Right, we don't. Oh, we don't do that, though. Just go to the mountains a lot, boys, and that's what the vibes are like today. We're at the mountains. Fucking glorious tree god, boys. Dip, boys. We're doing hippie things today, boys. We're making, homemade incense. Bye, John.
Later, John.
You're a good guy, John. Great fucking guy, John.
We're gonna try to interview him.
Yeah, we just met John. Look at the flex, boys. Clarence and Blue. And then, ooh, Subi. We're going up this way. Flex with the Geo and the Subi, dude. Just chilling. Eating some cactus. Okay, bud. Couple bowls. Holy fuck. Demon, we're going to be still. This guy just walked up to us and said, "Orderly," out of nowhere. Straight tweaker. Yeah. It's just right there, dude. Something just flew in my mouth. A little bit of trackage, boys. We got the mama and the little calf. My fellow fucks, how's it going, boys? We're at the birding tour. We're gonna be taking the bird tour where there's birds and there's tours. We're out here, dude, where the life is legit.
Yes.
This is
probably not come here before.
Yes, dude. Supposedly there's some birds, like some tens here.
That's what I was thinking.
There's a 10 up there, dude.
The fuck's up, Radical Production?
What's up, dude? So the views are fucking gnarly.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. If we were to rate them, 10 out of 10. Radical Productions. It's just crazy how they do their ditches here, dude.
When it gets cold, these little red-headed cranes come here from the north.
From the north. They get here, little red. Spray paint. The white lines.
Wetlands.
Tonight we study more. This is where Josh lives. Oh, dude. Tell me this wouldn't be sick to have in your backyard.
Amazing, dude.
Dude, it's literally a guitar, bro.
Wait.
She's rattling, boys. Holy fuck! Holy fuck! She's a windy one, boys. Holy fuck!
Windy.
Holy shit! The bird can't even fly. Bird.
He got the cross.
He's going against the border. He come back. And what are you doing? He's a free spirit. No.
It's like eagles but on ground.
He's an eagle but on the ground. Here comes the sun, my dad.
Meditation session was good. It was great.
Do you feel like you're ready to quit nicotine? Grab your hand. Ready? Watch this. Hold up.
Dude. Holy
No, you're good.
What?
Did you get fucked up?
No.
Hey, listen here. I know you live here and all, but hey, the thing is where do you get food around here, bud?
I don't eat.
Oh, you get berries?
Um,
Dingles?
yeah.
Oh, just to show you all the nature lovers out there, dude. This is just sick, dude.
Mister, don't get it fucked up. Don't fuck it up. Welcome to Bernardo, Mr. Catfish. Don't fuck it up. The MR in front of you.
Holy fuck. All the nature lovers, I know you're gonna love this, dude. Respect. Pond that we bought about a couple months ago, or some months ago. We haven't checked it out in a long time. As you can see, it's fucking green as fuck now, dude. It's fucking sick though. But like, we're gonna go check it out, see if it's over flooded or came back, boys, and it vegetated here, boys.
Build a stronger one next year.
Yeah.
Build it bigger and stronger. All the leaves though, it's like a perfect. Damn, we got a lot of those red stars.
Yeah, that would have been a sick ass shot there. Damn, look how low it is.
So the spot's fucked.